Creating a course in Beacons AI is a straightforward process. To begin, you'll need to access your Beacons AI account and click on the Products tab, which is represented by a small icon. From there, you'll see a list of all the products you're offering, and you can click that New Product button to start creating your course. You'll be presented with 4 options, and you'll want to select Course. Beacons AI allows you to create one free course with a free account. But if you want to build multiple courses, you'll need to upgrade to a paid account. Once you've selected the Course option, the course editor will open, and you can start designing your course in 5 steps. Setting up the product page, designing the course, setting up the checkout process, creating a confirmation screen, and crafting an email receipt. On the product page, you can add a description of your course. And if you need help generating text, you can use the AI-powered tool to create a description. You can also edit the image, upload your own, and customize the course name and price. You have options to set a fixed price, offer a pay-what-you-want model, or create a free course. Additionally, you can add a discount code or mark the course as on sale to make it more appealing to potential customers. When designing the course, you can organize it into modules, and each module can have multiple lessons. You can add videos, descriptions, and images to each lesson, making it easy to create a comprehensive and engaging course. You can also upload PDF files, such as worksheets or additional resources, to enhance the learning experience. After setting up the course, you'll need to configure the checkout process, which can be customized to collect specific information from customers, such as their name and email address. You can also connect your payment gateways, like PayPal or Stripe, to accept credit card payments or other forms of payment. Once the checkout process is set up, you can create a success screen that displays a thank you message to customers after they've completed their purchase. You can also customize the email receipt that customers receive, which includes a link to the course and a receipt for their payment. Finally, you can choose to send a follow-up email requesting a review after a specified number of days. When you've completed all the steps, you can make your course available to your audience by sharing the link or adding it to your website or link in bio. Your course will not be listed publicly in Beacons AI, but you can share the link with your audience, and they can purchase the course directly through that link.